Hello friends, welcome back. Good morning, good afternoon and good evening to you from Sailesh Falsunge and Melon Hospitality Private Limited. Before getting into my further conversation with you, this video is for the hoteliers and most importantly the hotel owners should watch this video till the end, and I'm going to talk about something which they are seeking. I'm going to talk on something which every hotelier is looking at, hotel owner is looking at. Hotel owner could be doing a project or he could be operating the hotel. I'm talking about the standalone owners who are getting into hotel projects and who are into hotel operations. So before getting into it, let me once again introduce myself. I'm Sailesh Falsunge, father of a super boy, a hotelier since 1988, a Taj veteran, Amazon #1 best-selling author. I have authored a book, Why Owners Fail in Hotel Business, which has become the bestseller on Amazon. I am the only author in India who has chosen a subject on the hotel owners, and it is come out of my sheer experience. I thank you for people who have appreciated this book, and it has become the bestseller on Amazon. A steward transformed into a managing director. Founder of Melon Hospitality Private Limited. Friends, my dear hotel owners, I promise you that you will definitely benefit out of this video, what I'm going to talk. What is Melon Hospitality in short? Melon Hospitality was incorporated in 2011. Melon covers two departments, two divisions. One is the project division, the other one is operations. Now, what do you understand by projects? We as hoteliers, we as hotel consultants, we assist hotel owners to develop the properties right from the inception stage, right from the acquisition stage, right from the feasibility stage to finish of the property. It may take 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, whatever time. We are there with you and we ensure that the project is finished and we deliver a brand compliant project. And I'm sure if we are there and if you want to sign a brand after your property is ready, mostly it won't be rejected. The most important factor is, if we are there attached with you, if Melon is there with you, I will ensure that your project costs, by the end of the project, you are saving 10 to 15%. It could be more as well if we are there with you. Say if you are doing a property of a 50 crore property and you have envisaged 50 crores on paper, if we are involved with you, we will ensure that we are saving 10 to 15%. If that is not done, we are there on board with you, and if it is that is not done, I promise we will not take the fees. Second part, hotel operations. Now, hotel operations, the backbone is marketing. How do you get the sales? It's very easy to sign up with the OTA, sign up with the online travel agent who charges you 20%, 25%, 28%, at times 30% also. Owners, most of the standard owners just sign up with the OTAs. Their property is flickering on many of the online travel agents or online travel portals, and you are happily paying huge travel agent commissions huge commissions, which is not required. We have strength in marketing. The moment we take over the property, the marketing would be done by us. We will ensure that the traffic is diverted on the mails, on the hotel mailbox, and we are cutting off the commissions which we are paying to the OTAs. Obviously OTAs will be there, but OTAs will not be given so many rooms in hand. Most of the property hotel rooms, the F&B would be sold by us, and we would take the charge of it and ensure the money is coming to the hotel. From the first quarter, I will promise that the moment we are engaged with you, we will ensure 10 to 15% or 20% growth. Even if the property is operating, if we take an operating property, the present business of the property, we will look at the average, and we will vouch that we will ensure that we are giving you 10 to 15% jump on your gross revenues. This is our, otherwise we will not take our fees. This is our promise to you. Point number 2, hotel operations. Hotel operations, hotel marketing is our strength. I am a hotelier from 32 years, and my forte is hotel operations. So running the hotels, ensuring right guest services, guest is going out smiling, we are getting the right reviews on various social media platforms, we ensure that the food is delivered rightly, the hygiene levels are maintained, the operating procedures are maintained. That is our forte. So that goes without fail, that goes without saying. Authority, responsibility and accountability is our baby. We will ensure that we are delivering, otherwise we will not take the fees in operations as well. Coming to you with our testimonials, we have completed hotel projects in various cities of India. You can talk about 5-star deluxe properties, 2 or 3-star, 4-star hotels, pan India. We can talk about Goa, we can talk about Satara, we can talk about Sangli. We have done projects in Ahmedabad, we have done projects in Bangalore, we have done projects in Mumbai. There are various cities we have done the projects in terms of hotel consultancy and development. Hotel operations also, we are doing pan India operations. There are n number of hotels we have been doing. So there are testimonials in the market. So we would like to ensure that the hotel owners are getting what they require, what they want, and we will deliver. If you like it, if you like my video, Melon is always available. I am always available for a 10 to 15 minutes free call. Please drop in a message down below. I will be available to talk to you on a Zoom call, and we can take the things forward. See you soon, and God bless you. Thank you.